Welcome to another DvSum tutorial series. Today we're going to see workflows. So on the left side of the menu, we're going to choose workflows. After workflow pages load, we're going to see this one. We have the execution list, the manage workflows, and manage categories. The execution list is the way that our workflow are going to be executed. So we have to create a workflow first. Let's go ahead to manage workflows. Here, you can create your workflow or you can delete a workflow. Let's go ahead and see what a workflow looks like. As you can see, our workflow is designed to tell you when to start, what are the steps it's taking, and when it ends. From here, you can say it starts, it's going to corporate customer. Yes, the validated contracts create data master in the customer master and enter the data in another system. Otherwise, validates the customer from the CRM system, validates the data in customer master, and then publish the golden customer source. As you can see, there are 9 steps, and between one you can have special details. So let's go ahead and check the details on validated contracts. You can see there are none at all, but you can assign one over here. Let's go ahead and go back, and let's go ahead and create our new workflow. Let's go to create workflow. We're gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna copy paste it. We're gonna choose a category. If we're gonna have it by group or by specific person. If we have that as stewards. And is it gonna send the email to who executes the workflow or to all users? Let's go ahead to choose only executors. We're going to go ahead and save. And as you can see, you have your white page, you have the step widgets and the step properties. So let's go ahead and drag it, drop it, and give it start. As you can see, it fills really quickly. Now let's go ahead and create another end. And as you can see, you can also for the start, you can also upload a file. So let's go ahead and click cancel. Let's go ahead and add a process. Who's the responsible? And if there's a planned time. This is in hours. So let's go ahead and create it. After that, we just have to drag from here and connect it. And as you can see, it makes our own line. You can have your decision and the process of workflow. After you have finished creating your own, you can just go ahead and click publish. You can see status is published. So you can go ahead and go back. And you can see your workflow right here. Let's go ahead into manage categories. From here you can create your own category, edit the categories, or delete the category. So for example, let's add our own. There you go, we have created our own category. Now we can look for our workflow and put it into the demo category. Let's go ahead into execution list now. So let's go ahead and create our own execution list. We're going to have this window. We're going to create what kind of workflow we want, the execution name. We're going to give it a due date. We're going to put the input type and a description. After that, we just initiate. And now our workflow has been initiated. That means everyone who has to run this workflow has to follow the details we just put into it. In this case, for ours, it's just start, process, end. But if you go specifically into details, you can go, for example, for data cleansing, who reviews the data, who receives the data, who cleanses the data, who can approve the changes, and save it to the database. That's it for workflows. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.